Good morning, traders. So let's have a look at the Dow Jones quickly. So this weekly level that we've been talking about all week is very much what is holding up price at this stage. Okay, so it's this level here. So if we just get down to the, hang on, before we do that. Okay, so there is a potential reversal pattern brewing here on the weekly, which is what's commonly known as the piercing pattern. So basically what happens is if you look at this area here, you can see how we have this big green candle, and then we gapped up, and then we closed sort of halfway down the green candle. So that is a piercing pattern. See, we're from above into the candle. So you can see we have the same setup brewing here. So a close on this low here for the week would give you a potential reversal pattern for some more move to the downside. So just watch out for that. And on the daily, okay, the daily is pretty much nowhere. So in my mind, there are two ranges at play here, and the first range is this one. Okay, that's a bigger range, and then the second range, I don't know if this is going to work, is pretty much this area here. And let's just, yeah, there we go. Okay, so those are the two ranges that are in play at the moment. And what we need to pay attention to is the pattern that is brewing within the bigger range. So you can see how we have moved to the upside and we've now consolidated. So I'm just going to get rid of this. So we've moved quite strongly to the upside and now we're consolidating, going sideways inside a range, and we're flirting with the top of the Ichimoku cloud. So at this stage, we have had a twist, but although it's a flat twist, there's nothing much going on, and you can see how flat Kijun and Teganson is, and now we're above price with Chiku span, but we're not above the cloud yet. So this could just be a consolidation pattern that's playing out this week. And what I say is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's basically the last 4 days, or 5 days, because that's Monday's candle. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today, Friday. Yeah. So this could be just a consolidation phase, and I'm inclined to favor that over any other pattern that may be presenting itself right now, because we've had a really strong move to the upside. We're now consolidating, and we're looking for a break above, a break out of this range. So we can get a proper break up, then we do have the potential for a bigger move to the upside. Okay, and that move would obviously be the length of this move here. And if we get a range break, then we're looking for that kind of thing to happen. Okay, and then obviously if we put a line on top of that, the chart will allow me to put a line. We have this next area here. Okay, so that's kind of the longer term pattern that I'm favoring at this stage. But let's just get down to the 4 hour. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of this range at the moment. And you can see how from Ichimoku perspective, everything is flat. You can see Kijunsen, Teganson's flat. We're back in price here on Chiku span. The cloud is flat. So there's a lot happening on the 4 hour, which is indicating just consolidation or range. Now, the thing that we need to watch out for is obviously this level here. If we break this level here, okay, then the consolidation phase is still potentially in play, and it could just move to the downside to have a deeper retracement for a move to the upside. And one of the best ways I find of just preparing myself for that is to look higher up and then say, okay, so there is a a level, and there is a level there. So those are the two levels higher up. Okay, and basically what I can do here is to say, if we have a deeper retracement, okay, and I will move this. We'll have to do this differently. Give me 1 second, guys. Just delete that segment, and let's just put it in on the 4-hour. The beauty of pro real time, unfortunately. Copy. Okay. So we have, so the first target is that. So if this range breaks, then that's the target we're looking for on the swing trade. However, if we do get a deeper pullback, and let's say we get a pullback to the 50% Fibonacci there, look what happens. So there's a 50% Fibonacci, that target comes into play. Now if we get a deeper pullback to the 61.8 or even the 76.4, anywhere in that area, the next target comes into play. Okay, so I'm still, so my longer term swing trade on this is to look for the entry to hold for the long. So I think this consolidation phase just needs to break. Delete that and delete that. So in saying that, what are we anticipating that is going to happen? This level here is probably the most important level of the week. So any retest of this level, I will take a long again and see where it gets us to. I'll more than likely just take profit quickly. Okay, so because this whole week has been the same, and I suspect some more of the same today. May surprise us and break up or down. Difficult to call, but that's kind of the play that I'll be looking for. So looking for longs at this level and pretty much taking them out around there. Okay, so for me, this is the current little range that we're in, and long from the bottom and take profit there. I'm not sure that I'll take shorts. Actually, I won't take any shorts at this stage because the longer term move is the upside. Once we break this, I may consider looking at shorts, but this is a very strong weekly level. And if we just pop back to the weekly, and you'll see what I mean. I mean, there is so much happening at this level, so I will pay attention to it. So this pattern here that brewing does concern me, because that could mean a move to the downside. But again, it could just be a retest of sort of that breakout there. Then, the measured move would still play out. Okay, so that's my take on it today. Again, still looking for longs, but looking for longs at this level here. Anyway, guys, hope it helps, and I'll catch you guys later.